children, welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Today, let's learn two concepts, that is inside and outside and on and under. Okay, on and under and inside outside. Clear? Now I explain these two concepts with some examples. Okay, now I show you. See here, one book is in my hand and one box is in my right hand. See, now I place this box is here. Now where is the box? Yes, now the box is on the book. Now the box is on the book. See now, where is the box? Now the box is under the book. Okay, now the box is under the book. Now I show you another example. See, now I have a box and one small dictionary. Can you see this dictionary? Okay, see, now I place this dictionary here. Now where is the dictionary? Now the dictionary is on the box. Clear? Now the dictionary is on the box. Now where is the dictionary? Yes, now the dictionary is under the box. Clear? Now the dictionary is under the box. Is it clear? On and under. Our next topic is inside and outside. Okay. Now I show you some examples. See children. Now I have a box and one tomato. See. Can you see the tomato? Okay. See. Now where is the tomato? Now we can say that this tomato is outside the box. Tomato is outside the box. Now I put this tomato in the box. See, now where is the tomato? Now this tomato is inside the box. Can you see the tomato? See, now the tomato is inside the box. Okay, when I take it from here, then we can say that this tomato is outside the box. Then one more example. See, now I have a box. Now I have a box and one eraser. Now where is the eraser? We can say that this eraser is outside the box. Now we can say that this eraser is outside the box. Now I put this eraser is here. Now where is the eraser? Yes, now the eraser is inside the box. Okay, now the eraser is inside the box. When I take this, then we can say that now the eraser is outside the box. When I put this eraser is here, then we can say that this eraser is inside the box. Clear? Now I show you one video. Okay, you please watch it. Okay, after watching this, you will get a clear idea about this inside, outside and on and under.
Can you see that bird? It is sitting at the top of the tree. And the bear is at the bottom. Now, look at the anthill. The ant is at the top of the anthill. The grass is at the bottom. Next is on and under. Look at these yummy oranges. So many of them are on the tree. And few of them have fallen down. So we say fallen ones are under the tree. Hey, look at the beetle. It is on the leaf. Can you see the tiny ant? It is under the leaf. Next is inside, outside. Look at the lioness. She is inside the cave. Now look at the lion. He is sitting outside the cave. Can you see a nest? The baby birds are inside the nest. And mother bird is outside the nest.
Okay children, now I hope you all enjoyed the video and understood the concepts. inside, outside and on and under. Clear? Then see you on next section. Take care. Bye.